Good morning, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. We have shit to do. I purposely let this bathroom get a little nasty just to show y'all how I clean the glass shower doors. Our old camper didn't have glass shower doors, but the camper we had before that camper did have shower doors. And I have some tips and tricks to keep the glass doors cleaned and your tracks not nasty. So I let this go just so I can show y'all this, but it's been driving me crazy, and today is the day I can't handle it anymore, and this bathroom needs a good deep clean anyway. So let's do it. I'm gonna take this stuff out first.
I 67 speed, Mom.
I don't know what that means, but okay. Wash all the towels in here, always. First things first, the shower, okay? Spray it down with OxyClean, same way I did the other one, the walls and everything. I'm not sure what happened to that, but that's going in the trash. Looks like somebody scrubbed their asshole a little too hard. Okay, and then in your tracks, Dawn Power Wash. Trust the process. Dawn Power Wash in the tracks. Alright, while that's sitting, we're going to do around the toilet. Shaving cream. Doesn't matter what shaving cream, cheap shaving cream. This is the one I like to use. Put it all around your floor. Takes out the pee smell and disinfects. You still have to mop though. Rub it in. Rub it in. Rub it in. Cover the entire area around the toilet. We're going to let that sit for at least 10 minutes. Now let's do the shower. Magic eraser, always. Wipe it down real good. I will say this bathroom shower wall is way easier to clean because the grooves all go the same damn way, and they're not like super deep. My backside is gonna be wet. I just bumped into that wall. Alright, these tracks. Take your magic eraser, put it in between, go back and forth a couple times, and I'm telling you, it takes it right off. Like there's no special anything to it. Just Dawn Power Wash. Just trust me. The water pressure here at this campground is not the strongest, but that's okay. Good enough to clean and take a shower. Alright, rails are clean, shower is clean. Now I'm showing you how to do the doors. So let's go. The infamous shower doors that leave water spots and everything. Now, you could already prevent this and not have to worry about this if you got a squeegee and squeegeed this every time you get out of the shower. I don't got time for that shit, and a lot of people don't. So, you don't, right? Then you end up with the hard water stain. Hey, I got a trick for that. You're gonna take some Lime Away spray cleaner. Magic eraser. Clean it! Rinse it off. Do you see that? I know y'all see that. A squeegee. If you don't have a squeegee, just use a dry rag, okay? Alright. Then I'll take a towel if I need to and dry off any of the excess, but it is now see-through and very pretty and clean. It's super easy. Now I take Rain-X. It's made for your shower doors. Put some on a dry rag. You gotta do circular motions with a little bit of pressure. Let it dry and you put another coat on it. After it dries, now you just take a paper towel or even a dry rag, just as long as it's dry, and wipe that that last glaze off. I will say it does work better if you have a rag, but all mine are dirty. But anyway, now we are all fresh and nice and clean, no more hard spots, and it is completely see-through now. So anyway, Alright, you just take a wet rag and wipe it up. Oh, I'll clean floor. Telling y'all, it is way easier to clean than my other one. Everybody keep asking me. This is where the trash can is. Now, Toilet Pod, RV Digest. It's the only one we use. Put them in there when they start to open up, flush them. The best glass cleaner ever, spray away glass cleaner.
That window is clean.
It's because your mom's a badass. It's fine. And voila! It's done. It's fresh and nice and clean. You can see through my shower doors. That's always nice. Much, much better. Now, I gotta go clean the second bathroom. We gotta clean the boys' bathroom. So anyway, hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later. Bye!